If you open your closet and notice a stale, musty smell, your first instinct might be to reach for a chemical air freshener. Instead, we're going to make a natural odor absorber using a simple burlap pouch and upcycled ingredients. The primary active ingredient you'll need is clean, spent coffee grounds. You can collect these from your own morning brew or pick them up in bulk from a local cafe. Looking at the common uses chart here, you can see exactly where this works best. It is perfectly sized for closets and drawers, but also functions well tucked into storage boxes, luggage, or shoe cabinets. Taking everyday organic waste and repurposing it into a practical household item keeps material out of landfills while saving you money. Here is the formulation table for a 1 kilogram batch: 900 grams of sieved coffee grounds, 30 grams of activated charcoal, 30 grams of baking soda, and 5 grams of essential oil. The charcoal enhances odor absorption, while baking soda neutralizes acidic smells. This grid shows the basic equipment you need to stage before starting: a mixing bowl, a precise digital scale, measuring spoons, a fine sieve, and a simple spatula. Having these specific tools staged and strictly following the formulation ensures you get a consistent, commercial-grade product every time you mix a batch. Step 1 is collection. Gather your wet, used coffee grounds and inspect them closely to ensure they are completely free of foreign debris or food contamination. Next is step 2, the drying phase. Spread the wet grounds flat in a thin layer on a baking tray. You can leave them in direct sunlight or place them in a low-temperature oven until they shift to a dry, crumbly texture. Pay close attention to this step. Any residual moisture left in the grounds will cause mold to develop once the powder is packed into pouches for long-term storage. Once completely dry, move to step 3. Push the grounds through a metal sieve to break down and remove any large hardened clumps. Breaking the clumps down into a fine, uniform powder drastically increases the overall surface area of the coffee, which directly improves how fast the final product can absorb odors in the air. Removing all the water and creating that uniform particle size builds the reliable foundation for a highly effective deodorizer. For step 4, place your mixing bowl on the digital scale. Tare it to 0, and carefully weigh out your dry ingredients to match the 1 kilogram formulation chart exactly. In step 5, take those 900 grams of perfectly sieved grounds and add them to your primary mixing bowl, along with the measured activated charcoal, baking soda, and essential oils. This image shows the proper mixing technique. Use your spatula or spoon to continuously fold the dry and wet ingredients over each other. Keep folding until the powder is entirely homogeneous. You will know it's ready when the mixture is an even dark color and you can no longer see any white clumps of baking soda. A thorough mix ensures that when you scoop this powder into individual pouches, every single one will have the exact same odor-fighting strength. Step 6 is packaging. Carefully scoop your mixed powder into either a cotton drawstring pouch or a breathable non-woven bag. Make sure you leave enough empty space at the top. If you overfill the bag, you won't be able to pull the drawstrings shut. As seen in step 7 here, pull the drawstrings tight, tie a secure knot to seal the powder inside, and attach your brand label or identifying tag. With that final knot, your raw chemical mixture is fully contained and ready to be placed directly into a closet. If you pack each pouch with exactly 50 grams of the mixture, this 1 kilogram batch will yield exactly 20 finished units. This costing example table outlines the economics. Producing the full batch costs approximately 152 pesos and 30 centavos. Divided by 20 units, the cost per pouch is just 7 pesos and 62 centavos. Dropping down, the suggested selling price sits between 20 and 25 pesos per pouch, leaving a very healthy profit margin for a home-based business. These margins make the deodorizers perfect for local eco-stores, zero-waste shops, custom gift sets, or even wholesale supplies for boutique hotels. It is a highly scalable setup. You keep overhead low by using recycled materials, while still delivering a product that commands a strong retail margin. Looking at the safety notes at the bottom of the page, you'll see a storage jar icon. This indicates that any leftover bulk powder and your finished pouches must be kept in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight to maintain their efficacy. Moving to the far right icon, we see the product's natural lifespan. Instruct your users to replace the pouch every 3 to 4 weeks, or whenever they notice the odor-absorbing ability starting to decrease. You can start collecting and upcycling your local coffee waste today. For complete starter kits, email thinksmartfill@google.com. Be sure to check out our next tutorial on making coffee ground car deodorizers. By following these 7 precise steps, you can consistently turn daily organic waste into a safe, highly profitable household staple.